This is Suketu Gandhi. I'm a parent of a student attending the school district 91 in Idaho Falls. I'm here to object to the deletion of any standards on the earth and environmental related to global warming, biodiversity, and those things. First of all, when standards are deleted, some school district may find it whether to go by what is written on the standard and not put in, or some will go beyond that. We all know from mathematics, if you do not keep the standards high, then the school district will try to not add anything to it, which is the case in the locally in school district 91 between 7th and 12th grade standard. For example, matrix algebra is not taught at all, and I would like to have that thing. That's why it's keeping standards here. So every student in the extreme rural area of Idaho has the same standard of education as the other part of Idaho. Second important issue, when it comes to global climate change, this is real science. It starts with vibrational to translation and energy. This is one component on the laboratory scale. Then modelers try to model it, what it takes over. Once those models are credible, then they go and atmospheric people look over it under the atmospheric condition. So science is credible when it is done there. Everyone who objects to any of the global climate change, look at the individual component to it and see it where they can have an objection. And they can always write a comment in the letters to the editor section or comment section in scientific journal and make your objection to be well known. Make sure they are credible. Just don't say that other people have a substantive scientific knowledge and to have any objection. When it comes to quality of limited resources, that is factually correct. For example, you have finite resources, you have a population that is increasing, that is demanding a high quality work or life on it. Quality of life on Earth. That means running water, electricity, meaningful economic opportunity, and for some people, it's a smartphone. Question comes out is the population seeking to have comfortable life is increasing? Yes, because not everybody are going to stay as a monk for their life, because that's what is driving up the demands on it. When it comes to environmental science, a few things that have been, I'm not aware that it was in it. There is going to be one on acid rain. Coal fire plant in Ohio brings acid rains in Canada. There is an ozone depletion taking place, and these are all based upon a solid science. So global climate change is based on solid science. If anybody who are objecting to it, do that also, not at state standard level, but do it in scientific so everybody knows about it. When it comes to biodiversity, we already know about it. When you lose one species, for example, bees, then you reduce a significant amount of pollination, or fruit farmer or vegetable farmer will not be able to pollinate their crops. Therefore, you have a big problem with it. So having a species and adequate population is a significant part of a sustainable living. And this thing is well known to the fruit or vegetable farmers. I may be err on how I refer to them, but this should be well known. Am I 5 minutes up?
No.
Okay.
You have another minute.
Okay. Then there is also about the soil science. For example, if you're going to have lots of worms in the soil, then you can have a more plant yield. This is the type of thing that has to be known and learned in the classroom. And if this is not learned, then students are deprived of knowledge and ability to think clearly. So it is urged that State Department of Education retain those standards. Instead of putting in red ink, they should put it back in the black ink.
Very good. Thank you, sir.